Hello everyone, Sammy here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. Today is 5 p.m. Friday. The week is closed. So let's get started here. The week started on the 6th, January 6th, and this is the first trade, pound yen from 20-minute chart. The buy order is right there with the yellow mark. SL move to break even plus. And this trade was opened by the EA, indicating this small arrow here, right? That indicates that the EA opened the trade. 180 pip, right? This trade actually was, I was long last week, and then I continue the trade. I didn't close over the weekend, so after that, and it went flying. So similarly, Euro Yen did the same thing. These two I posted on the Telegram as well that they're gonna go up. But I posted a message in the Telegram that close both of these because I didn't want everybody else to follow. And then keep it open on for the weekend because anything can happen on the weekend, right? And I can take the risk. So I kept these two open and then 140 here, 180 there. That's what happened. Euro USD also went up very nicely. Buy orders right there on the 6th of 75 pip. And gold start to go up again. And 150 pip buy orders right there. And this is pound USD going to the upside for 80 pip on the 6th. Everything is perfectly by the setup, according to rules. Nothing random. SPX, this one, Umar took this one here. Buy orders right there. And this is pound yen again from 7-minute chart on the 6th. This is, I think, from Omar. That was me, and then this is my son. So this is how 150 pip. The gold, again, this is from 100 BS on the 6th all the way to the upside, right? This one, pound yen again. This one after the retracement on the 6th. A lot of movement, a lot of trades. A small one, 75 pip. This is gold from 200 buck size on the 7th going to the upside. And this is how buy orders right there, 170 pip. Now pound USD, after on the 8th, it started to drop again, right? So this was bullish there, and then all of a sudden it became bearish. My EA took the entry here. This was the entry here. This was the entry here. This is the nice entry here as well, right? So all the way 150 pip to the downside. Pound yen again turning to the downside, giving me the entry. This is because of the pound. Pound start to get very weak, so pound USD, pound Aussie, pound yen, they both went down. So 175 pip here. Remember the pound every day pound yen has a daily range more than 200 pip right now. Around 200 pip, and every day it travels like that. So catching big trade from there is not a problem. Just pay attention that when the day opens, see this white dotted line? This is the day open, right? And then this is the pivot. So it has to take the one side, either up or down. And then it goes and fulfill complete its daily range in the same direction for the rest of the day. So the day started here, it went up a little bit. This is the daily pivot, got stopped there and start to drop. That's where I opened the trade. So this is the highest of the day. And then from here, you can count 200. So here is 175. Usually it goes more than 200. So this is how it is, right? I'll show you at the end. Gold from 200 BS on the 9th. You can see beautiful long entry all the way to the upside. This is where I made the video as well, I guess, right? And Euro yen is going down, and this is short 105 pip. Gold again going to the upside from 200 box size on the 10th. This is how today actually, right? And today pound yen after the NFP, I was long here, right? And see this arrow here? This was my long here, right? I even made a video, so I mentioned that I have long, and then my SL was right there, right? So when it went up a little bit, down and then up, just before the NFP, I moved my SL very close to the entry, maybe 4 or 5 pip, and then hoping that NFP will take it to the upside. But what happened? It just went down, boom. and took out my SL. And after that, and right then and there, I knew that it's gonna. So I placed my EA over it, immediately, and looked that EA took the trade. The arrow is right there. So EA took this entry here for 125 pip. I closed this one. So by the way, let me show you that this was based on basically the yen index that I made, and remember that yen index I made, and then I said it's going to go up from the TL. Let me see, where the heck is that? This is gold. Oh, let me show the gold. See, this gold chart I made, this one, right? In the gold video yesterday I made, I showed that we're going to go up first to 78%, which is 96, 26.96, right? So we're going to go and hit the 78% and then drop, right? Somewhere there. So it started to go up and with the entry, right? And that's how I got this trade on gold. See this right here? So it started to go up. This was a short entry, went bad, and then it went up entry, and this is the manual entry because you don't see the arrow here, right? So and then I took it. The EA took this one, but then when it got bad, so and I had to take it manually, and after that you can see here 200 pip all the way to the side, and the highest it made is 26.96. 26.97, we can say, right? A little bit more than that. 26.97, and my chart was saying that it should be 26.96. That's 78%. So it just did that exactly, and this is how it looks like currently. Right, it's pulling back now. So maybe next week we will see some downside. Okay. Similarly, the yen index, basically what happened is I was expecting a running flag, which is, let me just show you, but it went to make a regular flag. This was a chart, right? So I had this TL here, right? And saying that this is bouncing from here, and it might bounce from here after the NFP, right? So what happened after the NFP? It went down. So now it's a perfect, it came down to touch 38% of this whole rise. And this is like A, B, C flat correction. And there's a very good chance now that from here, it will go up when it comes Monday morning, Sunday, when the market opens again. So yeah, that's why I had this pound yen short. It went down, and then by last trade, you can see was after the NFP right there. I was long, and right after the NFP, this big move, and then it became short. Gave me the entry, 125 pips. So yeah, even if you make the your analysis showing that okay, it should go up or down, or harmonic pattern showing to the upside, or Elliott wave showing to the downside, but news like FOMC, NFP, GDP, red news, right? They have the ability to switch the side immediately, right? So when the news comes the opposite direction, you have to be ready. So it bullish, all of a sudden it become bearish, take the entry immediately, and this is what happened. All right. So this is the system. If you're interested, you want to get the system, go on my website, creativetradingsystem.com, and sign up there. And if you want to learn the whole business from A to Z, how to do this and do that, and analysis and everything, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNL level, right? How to read the chart properly, then you sign up for one-on-one. It's on my website, available. And even though the Christmas sale is gone, but if you're interested, I will still give you 50% off. So make sure you sign up before I close it, right? So this is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I will probably make a lot of people calling and telling me about the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is all the way to the high, and there's nothing to do the analysis, right? So that's why I wasn't doing it, but maybe I'll make it anyway. Okay, so this is it for now, and have a very, very wonderful weekend, and talk to you guys later again.